Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your electric scooter. First, ensure your scooter is powered off completely. This easy method can resolve many common glitches, from connectivity problems to minor performance issues, getting you back on the road quickly. It's a quick fix that often saves a trip to the repair shop, and it works for most popular models. Once your scooter is off, locate the main power button. On some models, there might be a dedicated reset button, often a small pinhole. If it's a pinhole, you'll need a paper clip. For the power button, simply press and hold it down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action initiates the internal system reset. After holding the button for the specified time, release it and give your scooter a few moments to process. Then, power your scooter back on as you normally would. Observe the display and test its basic functions. You should notice improved performance or the resolution of the issue you were experiencing, indicating a successful reset. If your scooter still isn't working correctly after the reset, don't worry. Consult your scooter's user manual for model-specific troubleshooting steps or contact the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. They can provide specialized guidance for more complex issues. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.